Here at McKillip Seeds, we're family owned. My great-grandfather started in 1935 by raising seed corn, and we have just progressed from there. I am the fourth generation of the McKillip seed family. Number one is quality. Quality for us is very key. Service is a close second. And I think with those two and being family owned and independent, we have grown a lot over the past 10 years. So we came to Bratney because we needed a new plant. We needed to stay up with technology. The volume that we do today is obviously a lot more than what we have done in the past. So being in the seed business, we got relationships everywhere. We had some friends in the seed business that had stuff done with Bratney. So we gave them a call. We started visiting with them. It started with an idea that we had. We worked with the salesman at first, and then we worked with the design team and the engineer team. Then the crew came in and did what we had on paper, and it worked out really good. I had a lot of fun talking with the design team. They came up with several different ideas, and we narrowed it down to what we wanted and what fit. And so I very much appreciate their expertise. If you don't have technology today cleaning seed, I think you're behind the eight ball. These new color sorters and these new cleaners, new conveyors are just so much better than what they were 10 years ago. The old gravity that we used to have, you were taking out 7 or 8 good beans with one bad bean. It's the precision of this new technology will help us keep pushing the bar and making great quality seed. So with a year under our belt, our customers have been very happy with our seed, the looks of it, the performance out in the field. So we got happy customers, so that's always a good thing, and Bratney's helped us come up with this plant to raise the best quality seed that we can.